Welcome to third year BSc 6th semester mathematics students. This is KVR Narasimha, lecturer in mathematics, Sri Venkateswara College of Arts and Science, Amalapuram, East Godavari district, affiliated to Adikavi Nana University, Rajahmundry. We have already completed 5 lessons on Unit 2 named Solutions of Algebraic and Transcendental Equations of your 6th semester Mathematics Elective Paper Numerical Analysis. Today I will explain lesson number 6 of Unit 2 of your Elective Paper Numerical Analysis. In lesson number 5, I have explained certain problems on Newton-Raphson method and the procedure of iteration method. Today, I will explain once again the iteration method procedure and then explain certain problems based on the iteration method. Iteration method is a method of solving algebraic and transcendental equations for obtaining a real root. There are 5 methods are there. One is bijection method. Second one is regular falsi method or false position method. Third one is Newton-Raphson method. And fourth one is iteration method. I have already explained the iteration method. Once again, we will review this method. Suppose we want to find a real root of the equation fx is equal to 0, then the equation can be reshuffled and rearranged as x is equal to some function of x. X can be written as a function of x. X can be written as a function of x. That is, say x is equal to phi of x and mod phi dash x less than 1 for at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to x0, then fx is equal to 0 has a real root nearer to x0. For example, suppose fx is equal to 0 is given as x cube plus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. From that, we can write x is equal to function of x in 3 ways. For example, x cube is equal to 1 minus x square implies x is equal to cube root 1 minus x square. In another way, x square is equal to 1 minus x cube implies x is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. In another way, x cube plus x square is equal to 1 implies x square into 1 plus x is equal to 1. Implies x square is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Implies x is equal to 1 by square root 1 plus x. These are the 3 ways of expressing fx is equal to 0 in the form of x is equal to phi x. Then first of all we should verify mod phi of x0. That is mod phi x at x is equal to x0 is less than 1. Then fx is equal to 0 has a root at x0. First iterated root is x1 is equal to phi of x0. Second iterated root x2 is equal to phi of x1. Third iterated root, x3 is equal to phi of x2, like that. This procedure is continued until two consecutive roots coincide. This is the method of iteration method. Suppose in the examination, explain the procedure of iteration method. If suppose we want to find a real root of fx is equal to 0 at x is nearer to x is equal to x0. Then we should make the equation fx is equal to 0 as x is equal to phi of x. Call it as 1, where phi x is a function of x. Then compute phi dash x and phi dash x0 and mod phi dash x0 and verify if mod phi dash x0 less than 1, then there is a real root nearer to x0 for fx is equal to 0. The first iterated root x1 is equal to phi of x0. Second iterated root x2 is equal to phi of x1. Third iterated root x3 is equal to phi of x2, like that, etc. This procedure is continued until two consecutive iterated roots coincide. This is the procedure of solving for obtaining real root by using iterated method. First problem. Once again, 1 minute. First problem. Find a real root of x cube plus x square minus 1 is equal to 0 by using iteration method. Find a real root of x cube plus x square minus 1 equal to 0. Solution. Given fx is equal to 0 is x cube plus x square minus 1 equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0 cube plus 0 square minus 1 is equal to minus 1, less than 0. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 1 square minus 1 is equal to plus 1. This implies fx is equal to 0 has a root in between 0 and 1. Now, equation 1 can be written as x is equal to 1 by root x plus 1. Why? Because x cube plus x square is equal to 1. Taking x square as common, x square into x plus 1 is equal to 1. Implies x square is equal to 1 by x plus 1. Implies x is equal to 1 by root x plus 1. This is what, then what is phi x? 1 by root x plus 1. What is phi dash x? Phi dash x is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Find phi dash 0 is minus 1 by 2. Phi dash 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 power 5 by 2 is equal to mod minus 0.1768. Therefore, mod phi dash x is equal to 0.1768 less than 1. Similarly, phi dash 0 also less than 1. So the iterated root exists for nearer to 0 as well as 1. In this problem, I assume x0 as 1. First iterated root x1 is equal to 1 by square root x0 plus 1. What is x0? 0. Therefore, 1 by square root 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to 1. Second iterated root x2 is equal to 1 by square root x1 plus 1. 1 by square root x1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by root 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to 0.7071. x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 0.7071. Does not coincide. Third iterated root x3 is equal to 1 by square root 0.7071 plus 1 is equal to 0.7654. x2 is equal to 0.7071. x2 is 3 is equal to 0.7654. Does not coincide. Though go for further iteration. Fourth iteration. x4 is equal to 1 by square root 0.7054 plus 1 is equal to 0.7526. Does not coincide with the previous value. Fifth iteration x5 is equal to square root 1 by square root 0.7534 plus 1 is equal to 0.7548. x5 and x6 are not coincided. Up to 2 decimals it is enough. Up to 3 decimals or 4 decimals it is not enough. Go for further iteration. Sixth iteration x6 is equal to 1 by square root 0.7548 plus 1. So x7 is equal to 0.7549. So previous step is 0.7548 and this step will give the iteration x7 is equal to 0.7549. Next. Eighth iteration value x8 is equal to 1 by square root 0.7549 plus 1 is equal to 0.7549. So x6 and x7 and x8 are same. Therefore, a real root of x cube plus x square minus 1 equal to 0 is 0.7549. Now I will explain the problem in Telugu. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనే ఈక్వేషన్కి ఒక రియల్ రూట్ ఐటరేషన్ మెథడ్ ద్వారా కట్టమన్నాడు. అసలు దేనికి దగ్గరలో కట్టమన్నాడు అడగలేదు కాబట్టి x0 కోసం మనం సెర్చ్ చేయాలి. సో దానికోసం ఏం చేశానంటే fx ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1. f of 0 is equal to minus 1, f of 1 is equal to 1. Both are opposite signs. Therefore, root lies between 0 and 1. Now, నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి మనకి ఐటరేషన్ మెథడ్ ద్వారా ఇచ్చినటువంటి fx is equal to 0 అని x is equal to some function of x లాగా రాయాలి. అంచేత ఏం చేసిన x క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ is equal to 1, x square into 1 plus x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by square root x plus 1. అది therefore phi x is equal to 1 by square root x plus 1. ఇదే కాదు ఇంకొక పద్ధతి కూడా రాయొచ్చు, ఇంకో 2 పద్ధతులు కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఏదైనా మీకు ఇష్టం వచ్చి చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ నాకు phi x is equal to 1 by square root x plus 1 వచ్చింది. phi dash x కట్టాను. phi dash x కడితే ఎంత వచ్చింది? -1 by 2 into x plus 1 power 3 by 2. 5 dash 0 కట్టాను, 5 dash 1 కట్టాను. 5 dash 0 కడితే minus 1 by 2 into 1 power 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Mod 5 dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2. That is 0.5. Less than 1. So root exists nearer to 0. No doubt about it. 5 dash 0. 5 dash 0 less than 1. Now search for 5 dash 1. 5 dash 1 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 power 3 by 2. So my mod, therefore mod 5 dash 1 is equal to mod minus 1 by 2 power 5 by 2 is equal to minus 0.1768 modulus is equal to 0.1768. It is also less than 1. అంటే జీరోకి దగ్గరగా ఉండొచ్చు అని తీసుకుని చేయొచ్చు, లేదా 1కి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న రూట్ అయినా కట్టొచ్చు. సో జీరోకి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న రూట్ కట్టడం కోసం ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఐటరేటెడ్ వాల్యూ x1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 ఆఫ్ x0. x0 ఏంటి? 0. సో ఆ 5xలో x ఉన్న చోట 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. x2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by square root 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 by root 1 is equal to 1. First iterated root 1 వచ్చింది. Second iterated x2 is equal to 1 by square root x1 plus 1. x1 ఎంత 1 is equal to x2 is equal to 0.707. Third iterated root 1 by x3 is equal to 1 by square root x2 plus 1. So x3 is equal to 0.7654. ఇలా x8 వరకు x9 వరకు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. ఎందుకు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి ఇన్ని స్టెప్స్ వరకును? రెండు వరుస అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయ్యే వరకు 4 డెసిమల్స్ వరకు కూడా సూట్ అయ్యడానికి ఈ లెక్కన 9 ఐటరేషన్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. 9th ఐటరేటెడ్ వాల్యూ 0.7549. 8th ఐటరేటెడ్ వాల్యూ కూడా 7th and 8th. 8th ఐటరేషన్ చేసాం. 7th ఐటరేటెడ్ వాల్యూ 8th ఐటరేటెడ్ వాల్యూ సేమ్ వచ్చింది 0.7549. సో కోయిన్సైడ్ అయింది కాబట్టి రియల్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ x³ plus x² minus 1 equal to 0 nearer to 0 or nearer to 1 is 0 to 0 is 0.7549. Next problem. Find a real root of 2x is equal to cos x plus 3 by using iteration method. So given fx is equal to 2x minus cos x minus 3 is equal to 0. What is fx? 2x minus cos x minus 3. F of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus cos 0 minus 3 minus 4 less than 0. F of 1 2 into 1 minus cos 1 minus 3 minus 1.5403 less than 0. So root does not lies between 0 and 1 because of f of 0 and f of 1 of same sign. Therefore root does not lies between 0 and 1. F of 3 is equal to 2 into f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus cos 2 minus 3 is equal to 1.4161 greater than 0. So root lies between 1 and 2. Not root lies between 0 and 1. Root lies between 1 and 2. So choose either x0 as 1 or 2 as your choice. Now the given equation 2x minus cos x plus 3 can be written as x is equal to cos x plus 3 by 2 because 2x is equal to cos x plus 3. X is equal to cos x plus 3 by 2. So 5x is equal to cos x plus 3 whole by 2. 5 dash x is equal to minus sin x by 2. 5 dash x is equal to minus sin x by 2. 5 dash 0 is equal to 0 less than 1. Sorry, 5 dash 1 not 0 because root does not exist nearer to 0. Root exists for 1 and 2. So 5 dash 1 is equal to minus sine 1 by 2. And similarly, phi dash 2 is equal to mod phi dash 2 is equal to mod minus sine 2 by 2 is equal to mod minus 0.4546. So less than 1. Therefore, root exists nearer to 1 or 2. So, I assume root exists nearer to 1. So, what is the x value? X is equal to cos x plus 3 whole by 2. Now, first iterated value x1 is equal to phi of x0 is equal to cos 1 plus 3 by 2. Cos 1 plus 3 whole by 2 is equal to 1.7702. Second iterated value x2 is equal to phi of x1. x2 is equal to phi of x1 is equal to 1.4010. Third iterated value x3 is equal to phi of x2 is equal to 1.5545. Fourth iterated value x4 is equal to phi of x3 is equal to 1.4913. Fifth iterated value x5 is equal to phi of x4 1.5388. Sixth iterated value x6 is equal to phi of x5 is equal to 1.5160. Seventh iterated value x7 is equal to phi of x6 is equal to 1.5274. Eighth iterated value x8 is equal to phi of x7 1.5217. Ninth iterated value x9 is equal to phi of x6 x8 is equal to 1.5245. Tenth iterated value x10 is equal to phi of x9 is equal to 1.5231. 11th iterated value x11 is equal to phi of x10 1.5238. 12th iterated value x12 is equal to phi of x11 1.5235. 13th iterated value x13 is equal to phi of x12 is equal to 1.5236. 14th iterated value x14 is equal to phi of x13 is equal to 1.5236. Therefore, x13 and x14 are same. Therefore, a real root of the equation 2x is equal to cos x plus 3 by using iteration method is 1.5236. Okay. Next problem.